how to turn off suggest your account to others or to Facebook friends, your account TikTok of course. Today guys I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like this video. So let's start. First you go to TikTok, then open it. After this, when your TikTok is opening, you will just go down here on your profile and click. And when your profile is open, you will just go to this three line here at the top of the screen, then go to settings and privacy, and then you will go to privacy, and then you will go to suggest your account to others, and then as you see here Facebook friends, you will turn off this by clicking here on this place like this, and that's it. It will work with you. And that's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.